having an amazing day. The weather in the UK has been really grey and stormy at the moment, which can make life feel really dull and bleak. However, I thought I'd try and romanticise the coziness and share my winter princess nighttime routine with you. I start off the evening by making dinner, and on this occasion, and pretty much every other day, I decided to make pesto pasta. I am so guilty of going through food obsessions. I will have the same thing every day for 3 weeks, and then all of a sudden I'm no longer interested. However, pesto pasta is my one exception. I feel like it's a universally loved dish. I don't know anybody who doesn't like pesto pasta. Okay, I'm gonna stop saying pesto pasta now. But that was my meal for the evening. After letting my food settle, I run a warm bubble bath, as there is nothing cozier than sinking into one when it's stormy and cold outside. I start off by exfoliating, and my favourite scrub to use right now is the Estrid All Glowed Up Sugar Scrub. I use this about 1 to 2 times a week, as physical scrubs are harsher on the skin, and today especially I was being extra gentle as my fake tan is quite fresh, so I didn't want to take it all off again. Then I grab my pink loofah and go in with my Body Shop Warm Vanilla Shower Gel. If you saw my last video, then you know vanilla is one of my favourite scents, and this is just gorgeous. Then I finish by removing any unwanted hairs with my baby pink Estrid razor and lathering up their watermelon jelly to create a shaving gel. I only do this when I feel it's necessary to avoid any razor bumps. Once getting out of the bath, I use the Body Shop Warm Vanilla Body Yogurt to lock in as much moisture as possible. After drying off, I grab a fresh set of pyjamas. These are from a brand called Dazzling Dreams. They have the cutest pink bows on, and they are so comfortable. I also grabbed my journal, which I will come back to later, but for now I'm putting on my PJs and doing some skincare. I love keeping some skincare in my little pink beauty cooler, as applying cool products to your skin is so calming and relaxing. I'm using so many hydrating and moisturizing products this winter, as the cold is drying my face out so badly, and Glow Recipes Pink Watermelon collection has been such a lifesaver, and also they smell so fresh and so good. We cannot have a skincare routine without a pretty pink facial roller. This is always so cooling, whether you have it in the fridge or not, and I love using it gently around my eyes to reduce any puffiness. Beginning of the year, I said I wanted to journal more, and I kept my word. I like to take a bit of time in the evenings to do any content planning, write up any ideas and goals for the future. I love doing this as I feel more organised, and I love to look back at goals and see if anything I wrote came true. Sometimes it gets to 9 o'clock and I'm craving a cup of tea, but I can't have a normal cup of tea because the caffeine will keep me awake till 4 AM, so I'm trying so hard to be in my herbal tea era. So this is a lemon and ginger tea, and I added honey to make it a bit sweeter. And my sweet treat of choice for the evening is shortbread. Very wintry. I'm also currently watching Gossip Girl all the way through for the first time ever, and yes, I know I'm the last person to ever watch this. I then try to have some time away from the screens and read. Try being the key word here, as I'll be honest, I usually do end up scrolling TikTok before bed, but I don't want to do that. I've had a lot of comments about this book, Once Upon a Broken Heart, and I've actually had it for over a year now, so I'm getting into it. Once I start to feel sleepy, I go and brush my teeth and settle down for bed. Thank you so much for watching my nighttime routine. I hope to do a morning routine very soon. Sending you lots of love as always. Bye!